Heat welding is recommended and provides a strong, watertight, hygienic, monolithic surface. The 4mm welding rod is designed to melt at the same temperature as the sheet flooring, therefore permanently fusing the two together. Seam edges should be tight but not compressed or undercut. The seam area should be wiped clean prior to beginning the welding process. There are a variety of different grooving tools that can be used. Practice on a scrap piece until the groover removes 1/2 to 2/3 of the thickness of the product in one uniform pass. Center the groover on the seam so that material is evenly removed from both seam edges. Clean the groove so that it is free of any dust or debris. Preheat the welding gun. Thoroughly clean the welding tip to prevent debris or soot from contaminating the weld. Practice welding on a scrap piece to fine-tune the needed temperature and speed. If an extension cord will be needed, use it when practicing as it may affect the temperature of the heat gun. Proper welding fuses the rod into the groove. A small ridge must appear on both sides of the rod. If the ridges are not present, the seam was not welded. While the welding rod is still warm, pre-skive the rod. In other words, remove 1/2 to 2/3 of the rod with a trim plate knife or a spatula knife with a trim plate. This should be done in one continuous pass. After the rod has cooled to room temperature, the final trim can be done with a razor-sharp spatula knife or a skiving tool. This must be done in one smooth pass to prevent chatter marks on the weld rod. This installation video is brought to you by the Shaw Learning Academy and the Shaw Product Support Group.